Welcome to Divyan's Science World.
Hello friends, hope you all have subscribed to my channel. Today we will be doing an experiment which will show us the presence of the Earth's magnetic field. Before we start our experiment, let us understand some of the basic concepts related to Earth's magnetic field.
Earth can be thought of as one big magnet whose magnetic field stretches thousands of kilometers out into space, which is called magnetosphere. These images represent Earth's magnetic field and the magnetosphere. Now let us discuss in brief about the phenomena that causes the Earth's magnetic field. As you can see in this diagram, the Earth's core consists of inner core and outer core. The inner core is solid due to high pressure. However, the outer core is liquid due to lower pressure and high temperature. This liquid is composed mostly of iron and nickel. Due to difference in temperature of inner core and outer core, there is convection current. The Earth spins around its axis, which also results in swirling of liquid in outer core. This complex flow of liquid iron in the outer core results in electric current. This electric current in turn produces magnetic field. Therefore, Earth is basically an electromagnet. We can represent Earth magnetism by a huge imaginary bar magnet. However, the south pole of this bar magnet is near the Earth's geographical north pole and vice versa. There is a small angle of 11.6 degrees between the magnetic axis and rotational axis, which is called the angle of declination.
So friends, just like air, the magnetic field is present all around us, but we cannot see it. So today we will be doing an experiment which will show us the presence of the Earth's magnetic field around us. For this, we require a small needle attached to a thermocol, a triangular pin, a small magnet, a bowl of water, a compass or a compass app can be downloaded on a mobile. All these items are easily available in our homes. We can see that the needle is not a magnet as it is not attracting the triangular pin. However, the magnet is attracting the pin. Now we will strike the needle approximately 50 times with a magnet. Striking the needle with a magnet around 50 times makes it a magnet. Now this needle has become a magnet. We can check this out as this needle attracts a triangular pin. This phenomena is called magnetic induction. We can see that in the unmagnetized needle, the domains point in all the directions, randomly resulting in zero magnetism. But when we strike the needle with a magnet, all the domains get aligned in the same direction, making it a magnet. For the sake of clarity, I have drawn a small earth on my study table. With the help of compass, I have marked the geographical north and south pole. For the sake of simplicity, I have neglected the angle of declination. As discussed earlier, I have also made the imaginary bar magnet representing the Earth's magnetism. The south pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical north pole, and the north pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical south pole. Now I have put the bowl filled with water at the center of this earth. I have taken two needles.
We have magnetized the first needle by striking it with a magnet. The other is simple non-magnetized needle. First, I will put the non-magnetized needle in water. We can see that it remains stationary in any direction and does not rotate. Now we will put the magnetized pin in the water. The magnetized pin rotates and aligns itself with the north-south direction. The north pole of the needle magnet is attracted by the south pole of the Earth's magnet. The south pole of the needle magnet is attracted by the north pole of the Earth's magnet. If I put it like this, it moves in the clockwise direction. And if I put it like this, it moves in the anti-clockwise direction. Friends, let us understand this experiment with this diagram. As you can see that these are the geographical north and south pole of the earth. For the sake of simplicity, we have neglected the angle of declination. This is the imaginary bar magnet which causes the earth magnetism. As already discussed, the south pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical north pole and the north pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical south pole. This is the magnetized needle having the north pole and south pole. As we know, opposite poles of magnets attract each other, so the north pole of the magnetized needle is attracted by the south pole of the bar magnet and vice versa. So if we move the magnetized needle like this, the needle will move clockwise and align itself with the Earth's north-south pole. And if we move the magnetized needle like this, the needle will move counterclockwise and again align itself with the Earth's north-south pole. Friends, now we will discuss the significance of the Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetism is used in compasses which are extensively used for navigation purposes. Earth's magnetic field also deflects most of the solar wind, which is actually stream of charged particles ejected from the surface of the sun. If these charged particles enter the Earth's atmosphere, it will destroy ozone layer which protects us from ultraviolet radiations. These particles are guided towards poles by Earth's magnetic field. When these charged particles hit oxygen and nitrogen molecules in atmosphere, they emit colored lights. In North Pole, it is called aurora borealis or northern lights, and in the South Pole, it is called aurora australis or southern lights. You can see the magnificent colored lights in these pictures. Earth's magnetic field is also sensed by some organisms like turtles, pigeons, and fishes who use it for orientation and long distance navigation. This phenomena is called magnetoreception. Many migratory birds use this sense of magnetoreception to travel long distances accurately. During World War II, pigeons were used for delivering important messages. You all must have heard this famous Bollywood song, so now we understand the science behind it. We human beings have 5 basic senses, but do we have a sense of magnetoreception? What do you think? Kindly comment.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.